Hi everyone! This video will give you a brief overview of how to use Google Docs. First, we will talk about sharing and permissions in Google Docs, and then we will discuss the tools you can use to interact with your students. To share a Google Doc, students should click the blue Share button in the upper right corner and share their document with HWC Online at miamioh.edu. Students can also generate a share of a link and send the link to us via email. There are three levels of access that students can give us. The default for direct sharing is Edit Access. This means that you have access to all tools and features when in their Google Doc. Comment-only access means that we can insert comments on their document. We can also use other tools such as highlighting, but it will mark all of these changes in comment bubbles in the right margin. If you have comment-only access, this will be marked in green in the upper right of the Google Doc. The last level of access is View Only. This means that you cannot insert comments or use any other features within the student's Google Doc. If you have View Only access, this will be marked in blue at the top of the Google Doc. This level of access is too limiting for online consultations, so you should click Request Edit Access at the top of the doc. The student can change your level of access by returning to the blue Share button in the top right corner. If you are doing an asynchronous appointment and do not hear back from your student, you should make a copy of their document so that you can insert comments and complete your appointment. Go to File at the top and select Make a Copy. You can place this doc anywhere in our HWC Online Google Drive. After creating this copy, remember to share the doc with your student so they can access your comments. You should explain in your introductory comment why you had to create a new Google Doc for the appointment. Now we are going to talk about how to use the tools in Google Docs. Many of the tools and features are similar to that of Microsoft Word and other word processors. Inserting comments is a helpful feature and is necessary to completing an asynchronous appointment. You can add comments by selecting the text you want to comment on and clicking the plus sign that appears in the right margin. You can also go to Insert at the top and select Comment. Type up your comment and then select the blue comment button to publish it and make it visible to your student. If you need to edit or delete your comment at a later time, return to your comment bubble and click the three dots in the upper right corner. You or your student can reply to your comment by clicking on it and typing in the text box that appears below it. Your student will receive automatic emails from Google Docs notifying them that you have added or deleted comments. The toolbar at the top lets you make formatting changes, such as highlighting and changing the color of the text. Just select the text you want to highlight and then choose your color. For accessibility, you can add headings and heading styles to a document under the drop-down menu that says Normal Text or any number of heading. To the left of this option, you can select a percentage for viewing and control whether to zoom in or out of the document. If you want to model a change for a student, you can change to Suggestion mode. Go to the pencil symbol in the upper right corner of the toolbar and select Suggesting. This mode will mark any changes with color and a comment bubble, allowing the student to accept or reject your changes. To return to normal editing mode, return to the symbol in the upper right corner and select Editing. If the student is in the Google Doc with you, their icon will appear in the upper right corner. You can click this icon to find where their cursor is located in the document. Similarly, you can tell them to click your icon to find where you are located in the document. If you want to chat with them, select the chat icon in the upper right corner. This chat conversation will be erased after you leave the Google Doc. Thanks for watching!